Big. Oh, good jack.
Today we're making a dish with one of the mackerels Leo caught to take us back to Yunnan. Yunnan is a province in southwestern China. It's lush, wild, and full of wild mushrooms. It's literally like a wild mushroom heaven over there. There's always an abundance of various foraged fungi at the local markets. At one of them we tried these fried mushrooms, and they were so earthy and delicious, we decided to replicate them for today's dish. One of the most memorable dining experiences was at this tiny little village on the edge of a protected wetland. The villagers lived in perfect harmony with their natural surroundings. At this meal, several of the dishes were made with ingredients we have never seen before, including mushrooms that we have never heard of. We had this amazing chicken soup made with chickens that the villagers raised in the wetlands. And the most unique part is that it was made with tobacco seed pods. And then we had this fish that was just caught from the wetlands. They were grilled, covered in these white poppy seeds. One of the reasons why the food we had tasted so fresh was because the local villagers grow their own food. The surplus they have, they sell to the restaurants. We noticed that at every single meal, our local guide and driver always requested this condiment dish. It was a dish primarily made with fresh ginger and chili. Simple, yet earthy and gingery. We thought it'd go well with the fried mushrooms for today's dish.